I create music sensors so that artists and users can get to creating their project immediately rather than fiddling with technology and trying to get it to work. So what I'm trying to do is to give the agency more to the musicians and to concentrate on mastering using, some very simple sensor like mine, um, to spend time more on perfecting or working on excellence in creating artistic work rather than keep developing a new machine every other day, because you don't have time to master something like that. For myself, I've been doing this for quite a while now, so I know what works, and if I start moving to deliberately try to control something, then I failed. So I want to be true to who I am as a violin player, with or without any machines attached to me, and how does that movement translate to any form of expression that's meaningful, or something that I can enhance or extend what I do acoustically. What does the movement mean in terms of interactive performance?